Your boy reaction back on the video. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys a cool video with using, hold on, give me 1 second. Alright, this is all you need. So if you ever have your handcuffs, you ever lock them, you don't have the key, you could just do that. Or if you lock them, like, see, these are handcuffs that got passed on to me by somebody. Somebody gave them to me. If you ever interlock them like this, there's no way you can get them out. Literally, there's no way. See how that blocks it? So I found a cool way how you can take them out. So first thing you'll need is a hair barrette. You can use these. And you see how I had 4? I took one, pop it like that, and you get this. You get this little piece. And make sure this is straight. The little tip right there on top. You have to use that. So, I'll show you guys what you do. Just like this. I mean, here. I'm just going to flip the camera, guys. Hold up, wait. I lost the hair barrette. I know I have more, but this is on my brother's bed. I didn't have, like, the table to do it on. Alright, well, I'm going to have to pop another one then. Alright. I'll see you guys when I turn my camera. Alright, guys. I tried turning my camera. It doesn't work. So, I'm just going to show you. I'm just going to pop another one because I cannot find. So, this is a more example. You take it like that. Here. I'm going to use these because they look more like they would work. So, take it. You just keep bend it back like that, and see how it popped? Take it like that, and then it comes off straight. So, what you do now is you take it, and you see when it's all the way like this, actually it's gonna be hard. You push this, you push your handcuff in all the way. You see you have that little slit right there. You have to put it in like this. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's right there. It's right there. Yeah, I saw that. I saw it. Take out, and then you put it in, right? There, so it's right there. Push it in to where it's like right there on top of the little thing. Get it all the way down there. Take it, shove it off right there. Really hard to get it go. And the hair barrette will jump out somewhere. See it land right there. Do the same on the other side. Push it all the way in. Put it in. Take it. Oh no, this might be a little. Damn it. If it gets stuck ever like this, I don't know how to show you guys, but if it ever gets stuck like this, look at this one right here. It's stuck like that. You push it back in, and then it'll fall out. So you just keep doing it until. But you gotta get it really good for it to get out. Come on, it keeps getting stuck. The hair barrette is like right here. See, I stuck the hair barrette a little hard right there. Now, put it in. This is my last try. Take it. Oh, what? It unlocked by itself, apparently, but that's how you do that. So then, if your cousin or somebody ever gets locked in these, you're screwed. Because look, you see these? My cousin put his hand in there, he got stuck, so we had to yank it out. If you ever lock it in and be like, oh my god, it doesn't work, you just literally, that's how cops do it. They'd be like, their handcuffs be like this, and they'd be like, this on your hand, go like that. See that? Yeah, put it on your hand. This one's a little small for my hand, but yeah, they take it, put it on your hand, but sideways. They lock you in. But I'm not gonna lock myself in because I'm not that stupid. So that's how you get your thing stuck. You just take a hair brand, put it in. You can't get out like that. Really easy. I mean, anybody can do it. Take it. You can't get out. Hair brand comes flying. Thank you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If this video helped you guys out with, if you guys are arrested or something, I'm not gonna say that, but if you guys ever have any handcuffs, you let off somebody or something like that, and you got them stuck, hopefully this video helped you guys. This video was not meant for, like, if you're in prison, you just put it in. Okay? I guess please like, comment down below, and subscribe. Peace.